Apple has reportedly started shooting the iPhone 14 event as the official launch could be set for September 6th. While Apple is busy preparing their next big thing, Samsung has made their iPhone 14 response official. Yesterday, Samsung made the Unpacked official, announcing range of awesome products, with Galaxy Z Flip 4 in particular is Samsung's perfect answer to the unchanged non-Pro iPhone 14 models. The iPhone 14 is confirmed to come with an older last year's chip, and now it's been revealed that the display is indeed what you do not want to see on an $800 iPhone in 2022. According to South Korean media Elec, Apple is using Samsung's lower-tier OLED panel for the iPhone 14 and 14 Max to save the cost, while the top-tier panels are only exclusive for the Pro iPhone 14 models with LTPO. This further confirms that the iPhone 14 will be the only phone in the world at $800 price to come with a 60Hz display, similar to last year's iPhone 13, with no change to the notch as well. There's simply no excuse for this move. Even a $399 Nothing Phone 1 rocks a near 1000 nit bright display at 120Hz refresh rate with 1080p resolution. It's absolutely mind-blowing that Apple will try to get away with it once again. And now, Samsung's response is going to make things even tougher for iPhone 14, as Apple is underestimating the popularity of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's packing all the latest punch with an improved folding 120Hz screen, bigger battery, all at the same $999 price as last year's model. If you count Samsung's pre-order perks, then it's even cheaper than that. I personally think that Samsung has done a great job with its Z Flip 4. It's getting really hard to justify Apple's behavior here with the iPhone 14. Now, with that being said, credit where due, the iPhone 14 Pro lineup are getting all the good stuff, and I am very excited about that. We actually got our latest look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max dummy in action against the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see that the camera is indeed the biggest it has ever been on any iPhone. The 48 megapixel lens with 8K resolution could bring a crazy camera performance. The sides are looking slightly thicker as well, which makes me wonder that we could see even bigger battery on the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. Also, Ming-Chi Kuo has further confirmed that the iPhone 14 series price will increase by 15% compared to last year's iPhone 13 series. With this price increase, it's reported that iPhone 14 Pro models will not have a 128GB model. In fact, they're gonna start with the 256GB as their base storage. That's actually a great news, considering that new 48 megapixel lens and that 8K video recording taking up all that space. You're basically getting them for the same price as the 256GB iPhone 13 Pro series. Like I said before, the Pros are definitely looking hot, but the non-Pro is looking more and more like a bad value. And especially now with Samsung's response with the Z Flip 4, it's another icing on the cake. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.